Hi, welcome to the Cat Doctors. We're going to talk about managing fleas in Florida. And fleas here are a year-round problem, and there is a misconception that if you live indoors, if your pet is indoors, that fleas are not a problem, and that definitely is not the case. So I wanted to make you aware of what our choices are for excellent flea control and how to use different products in different situations. In essence, for cats, there are three very good topical flea products, and those would be Advantage, Frontline, and Revolution. Our preference is going to be Revolution because it does absorb and goes systemic, so you don't have to worry about it being bathed off or groomed off, and you get the added bonus of heartworm prevention. Those products are applied on the skin on the back of the neck and last for a month. It is important for you to realize, though, that for all three of those, they take about an hour and a half to kill the flea once the flea jumps on the coat. And that's where, if you have a true flea problem, that could get you into trouble because you believe that all the fleas are dying upon immediate contact with the pet, and that is not the case. So you could pick through their coat and find a flea and believe that the product is not working when in actuality it is. And what you would tend to see in that situation is the flea is actually moving more sluggish, maybe coming to the surface of the coat because it's in the process of dying. The other important point to realize is once you've had fleas in your home and they've had an opportunity to lay eggs, you now have to deal with the repercussions of those flea eggs in your home. You could treat your home environment and treat your pet and kill all the adult fleas and larvae within that day period with any of those products, and then still find fleas. And the reason for that is those eggs will be hatching for up to 3 months. So you have to ride out that egg hatching period and realize that you have to have aggressive flea control for at least the next 3 months to deal with all of those eggs hatching. So there are two other options beyond the topical liquids to help you manage those fleas more aggressively. In other words, kill those fleas more rapidly, because now that hour and a half kill time is just not sufficient. You have two oral choices. One is Capstar, and that's a product that's been on the market for years, labeled for dogs and cats. A small pill that's given by mouth. Takes about 20 minutes to kick in and then kills fleas within 15 to 20 minutes of jumping on the coat. For our cats, that product lasts for about 2 to 2.5 days. So again, Capstar, when given by mouth, will kill fleas within 15 to 20 minutes of jumping on the coat, but only last for about 2 to 2.5 days. Our other tablet option, which is more recently labeled for cats, and it was previously labeled for dogs, but again now is labeled for cats, is Comfortis. So that's a tablet given by mouth. Takes about a day to take effect, and then will kill fleas in about 15 to 20 minutes of jumping on the coat, but will last for the month. So that's going to be your longer lasting product if you're trying to get through 2 to 3 months of those eggs hatching. So again, Comfortis is a tablet that you would give by mouth. Takes about a day to kick in and then kill fleas within 15 to 20 minutes and last for the month. So your most aggressive flea control is going to be to use the Comfortis for the 2 to 3 months, and then continue on your liquids on the back of the neck year-round here in Florida. If you have any questions or would like more information, please look us up at catdoctors.info. Thank you. This is Christine Simon at the Cat Doctors.